In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile site on Wix. Start by opening the Wix website editor for the site you want to work on. Give it a moment to load the canvas and toolbars. Once you're in, open the Add panel on the left. This is your main toolbox for placing and customizing content on your mobile layout. Begin with text. Open the text section and look through titles. These are your headline styles. Great for section headers and calls to action. Choose a style, add it to the page, and update the wording to match your message. Next, check out paragraphs. These are ideal for descriptions, policies, and any longer content. Keep mobile readability in mind by breaking text into short blocks and leaving comfortable spacing. If you have FAQs or content that's easier to skim, open Collapsible text. This lets visitors tap to expand details, which keeps your mobile pages tidy and fast to scroll. Now move into visuals. Open Image to add photos, logos, or illustrations. After placing an image, resize it so it loads quickly and doesn't push important content too far down the page. Then open Button to add clear, tappable actions, like contacting you or starting a purchase. Aim for generous sizing and contrast for accessibility on small screens. For flair, visit Decorative to add shapes, lines, and accents that guide the eye without overwhelming the layout. Box is helpful for grouping related items, like a product card or testimonial, so everything moves together and stays aligned on mobile. If you want to add links to your social profiles, open Social and drop in icons that match your brand style. Finally, if you need to bring in external tools or widgets, open Embed code. Use this sparingly on mobile for performance, and always preview to confirm it renders well. As you place elements, use the on-canvas controls to align, center, and space items consistently. Keep tap targets roomy, maintain margins on the left and right, and avoid edge-to-edge text so everything feels breathable. If you see highlighted controls or prompts in the editor, use them to tweak placement, order elements forward or backward, and refine spacing. A quick scan from top to bottom helps you confirm that headings, text, images, and buttons flow in a logical, mobile-friendly sequence. When your changes are ready, click Publish to push the updates live. Then select View Site to open the live page and check it on your phone. Tap through buttons, scroll the layout, and confirm your text is easy to read. If anything needs adjusting, return to the editor, refine, and publish again. That's how you edit your mobile